Hey, I'm Todd Gross, and welcome to something refreshing and different that my team has been working on the last year with Paula Conde to bring you something you desperately need. How do I know that? Because it's something I use in a vast majority of the videos that I produce. I desperately needed it, and it has been extremely hard for me to find until now. It's royalty-free, low-cost, studio-produced sounds for my videos. Now, these are completely unique, and you're probably thinking, but Todd, there's tons of music floating around the internet that I could use in my videos. You're right, there is music simply just floating around the internet. That's the problem. You can't be 100% sure where it originated from and that it's 100% royalty-free. It's most likely developed with some sort of music software which has okay quality, but it's honestly not what I prefer to use in my video productions, and a lot of people use the same thing. And we figured enough is enough. Let's create our own sounds that we are 100% positive where they are produced, and we know the quality is top-notch because we created it and we produced it for our use, and we wouldn't offer anything less than this, and to be quite honest. So thanks to Paula Conde from ProStudioFX and his team, we have studio-produced music and sounds here of the utmost quality for our videos, and we want you to have them too. It took 9 professional musicians over 250 hours in a recording studio to create 486 completely unique, top-notch background sounds, music tracks, bumpers, and stingers spanning across dozens of different moods and genres. These are never-before-heard sounds, and you know what? They're exclusive to ProStudioFX.com. And those of you who decide to grab this very limited special offer, in fact, this offer will expire and the price will more than double very soon. And this specific offer, well, it will be history. All the sounds are in MP3 format, so they are compatible and easily uploaded into any video software or editor that allows you to import your own soundtracks. And that means you could put these sounds to use in any one of 24 products that have recently been released. And that's just counting off the top of our heads. If you're wondering if you've been listening to ProStudioFX.com sounds as the video is playing, the answer is yes. Just listen how clear and crisp the sound is. And if you go outside of ProStudioFX.com and find quality like this on a professional sound site, you will have to pay upwards of $19 per track. And even then, you'll have restricted access as to how you could use the music, how many times you could use it for commercial purposes, but not here. With ProStudioFX.com, you're getting the same Pro Studio quality in 486 professionally produced sounds at a tiny, tiny fraction of what we should be offering this for, with no restrictions to how many times you can use the tracks for yourself or for your clients. That's right, you can make this one-time purchase and use these sounds for yourself or your clients. The only thing you can't do is resell or give away the sounds themselves. This is an absolute steal. My audio backgrounds will always be the best quality because I'll be using the sounds from ProStudioFX.com, and you should too. Grab this very exclusive, very limited offer before it goes poof. Quality sound is just as important as quality visuals in your videos. Grab this offer today and stop the search. One small fee and 486 music tracks, bumpers, stingers, and background sounds across dozens of moods and genres are yours.